I've been exploring the Lyft Driver Mobile App for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Lyft Driver is an app for people who want to earn money by giving rides through Lyft, using their own car, and setting their own schedule. It is designed mainly for part-time or full-time drivers who like flexible work and want to see what they'll earn before accepting a trip. The core idea is straightforward. You sign up as a driver, get approved, and then use the app to receive ride requests in your area. The app shows trip details and estimated earnings upfront, so you can decide whether a ride fits your time and distance preferences before you accept it, which helps avoid surprises once a passenger is already in the car. It also supports different payout options, letting drivers cash out their earnings instantly, daily, or weekly, which can be helpful if you rely on this income for regular expenses. On top of regular fares, you can earn bonuses and rewards, and you keep all rider tips, giving some drivers the feeling that they are being fairly compensated when demand is strong. However, it is not without flaws, and some of the critical reviews highlight issues that potential drivers should consider. A recurring concern involves disputes between drivers and passengers, where drivers feel that customer complaints are sometimes accepted too quickly, leading to warnings or even account deactivation that can affect someone's ability to earn a living. Because passengers can report problems after a ride, a few reviewers worry that misunderstandings about wait times, traffic, or behavior might count against them even when they believe they acted appropriately. On the technical side, running constant DPS and the app in the background can drain your phone's battery faster, and the app requires a relatively recent version of iOS, so drivers using older devices may miss out on new features or find performance less smooth. There are also some unhappy users among that 13% of one-star reviews, which suggests that experiences can vary widely depending on city, support interactions, and personal expectations. Overall, Lyft Driver comes across as a solid choice if you value flexible work, like meeting new people, and appreciate seeing your pay before you commit to a ride. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.